thanks for joining the channel. In today's episode, we're putting this belly mower on this B2601 Kubota tractor. Stay with me.
Hi, this is Tim and Dole. Welcome to Midwest Hunting and Outdoors by Two Dumbasses, a podcast about the outdoors, hunting, and being a steward of the land.
Thanks for joining the channel. This is Midwest Hunting and Outdoors by Two Dumbasses. One dumbass today. And it is early April in Iowa. It could snow, but the grass is green and it's getting long, and it won't be long before I have to start mowing. So I thought today would be a great day to put this belly mower on, actually take the loader off, put the belly motor on, and I might even get out of my clover field and just mow some of the tall grass that's growing so I can come in and spray next week. So this episode is about putting this belly mower on, and let's get into the steps to do that. It's pretty easy. It's easier than you would think, and pretty quick and easy episode today. So thanks for joining us again, and here's step one. All right, before I install this mower, at the beginning of the season, I like to grease it up and clean it up the best I can, because it's probably the best it's going to look once it's installed, and after that it's just downhill. So grease is an important part of that, and I'm going to start with the PTO. So on the PTO, there are 3 zerks. There's one on the shaft itself, and that provides lubrication for it to slide back and forth. So once you put some grease in there, you want to be able to move that back and forth, and that's really important because as that mower moves up and down and even a little bit back and forth, really important that that this PTO shaft has some give in it. So that's in great shape. And then at each one of these use joints on the PTO, there's a zerk, and again, that is just to provide some flexibility for, again, this mower to move left and right and up and down without the PTO binding and breaking and causing problems. Grease points are on the pulleys for the belt. So you got your left and right mower blades, and then there's one in the middle. Each one of those blades has a grease zerk on the pulley itself. So we're going to put some grease in those. So the last grease zerk is on the belt tightener. This middle pulley here is to keep the belt tight. It's got a spring mechanism which is on a lever. The pulley is on a lever here. And on this lever, it's basically a piece of rod or around a bolt. And that bolt has a zerk on it. So that zerk is right here. The last thing we want to do before, after the lubrication, is we want to pull these covers off. I love that Kubota has made pulling these covers off so easy. They just snap, and you're going to pull these off. I've already cleaned these, but all kinds of grass and crap in there, so get in there, clean that all out. Again, it's no better time to do it than now. It's only going to get worse. So when that's done, we're going to put our covers back on. Snap them in place, we're good to go. Let's get this thing installed.
Prepare your mower deck to be driven over by your tractor. Start by placing blocks or chocks on the front of the mower. Remove the built-in ramps and place them in the groove on the back side of the mower. For proper alignment, place them directly behind the black patches on the front of the mower, shown by the arrows in the video. You are now ready to drive your tractor over the top of the mower. Pro tip: make sure to use 4-wheel drive. Stow and secure your ramps. Using your hydraulic 3-point hitch lever located on right side of the seat, lower your mower hookup arms. You may have to reposition your mower and/or mower hookup arms to align the spring-loaded connecting pin. Remove hairpin and unlock connecting pin. Adjust arms and mower until pin inserts into mower connection. Reinsert hairpin to secure. Position PTO shaft over mid-PTO. Squeeze the spring-loaded locking mechanism and slide over shaft. You may have to rotate the shaft to achieve proper alignment. Check that the shaft is properly locked on the shaft. Position front mower stabilizing bar into grooves on the mowing deck. Slide into place and confirm proper fit. Locate and pull out a front locking pin, turning clockwise until it is locked. Then lower the handle and insert the front of the stabilization bar. Raise the handle and turn locking pin counterclockwise until properly inserted. Confirm that this mechanism is locked and safe for operation.
And that is how you install a 60-inch mower deck, belly mower deck on a B2601 Kubota. Man, it really goes easy. Taking it off is just as easy, if not a little easier. And it is what you saw. So I'm going to go out and start doing some mowing. Thanks for watching. Would love to hear comments or questions that you might have. And make sure to check out the playlist on this Kubota 2601 at the end here in a couple seconds. But until the next episode, be safe, have fun, and get outdoors.
Desperado, sitting in a old Monte Carlo, a man inside his hollow.